Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you the Black Friday Glossybox, which if you are a Glossybox subscriber or interested in subscription boxes, you've probably already seen. I know I saw a couple of videos of people who received this in PR, but I don't know, I just felt compelled to film it anyway. So as I said, this was the Black Friday Glossybox. Today is January 1st, New Year's Day, so Happy New Year. So I just filmed my December Ipsy bag, so I thought why not, round it out with another sort of blast from the past. So I paid $20 for this. It's no longer available, but I don't know if you're just curious. I paid $20. I think I got a $5 discount because I was at the time a subscriber. I am no longer subscribed to Glossybox. If you want to see my December unboxing, I will link that for you guys. They did charge $3.49 for shipping, which was kind of a bummer, but not too terrible. So this is the box, standard exterior packaging. It says Glossybox Black Friday 2020 Volume 3. And really, I really love the box, is really why I got it. I'm very much into space and that sort of thing, and I just really like the box, so I got it. So that is what it looks like. It has sort of a holographic logo on there, nice purple and pink, and then on the side also has a Glossybox in the holographic, another logo on the bottom, and on the other side as well it says Glossybox. I think that's really the extent of it for the box. Inside has their logo in purple. If you are not a Glossybox subscriber, their normal packaging, sometimes certain months have special packaging, but their basic ordinary packaging is like this, has that kind of, I don't know, would you call that millennial pink or just pink? But yeah, it just says Glossybox. They're hard cardboard, and then on the inside it has like light pink logos. Okay, so we got a black ribbon here, and it has the pamphlet. It says Black Friday limited edition, and I think I already said it's no longer available, so it is what it is. So at $25, I guess they charge shipping on top of that, so it's slightly more expensive than the normal monthly price of, I think, $21. So we'll see if that, well, I already know what's in it, so whether you think it's a better value or not, I guess is up to you. Same pattern on the tissue paper and another holographic sticker. So the first item here is a full size of the Collab Dry Shampoo Original Fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. It says love all over it, so this might actually be like a nice, I don't know, like decor item for Valentine's Day. My anniversary is also in January, so this whole like January into February, our anniversary is the 16th of January, so there's like a month that's, whatever. So Collab is, I think it's still Ruth Crilly's brand, who she is a model recommends here on YouTube and Instagram. This has an MSRP of $5.49. And what's the best way to smell the fragrance? Okay, so it's nice. It's kind of perfumey, kind of citrusy. I don't think I would hate it depending on how strong it was like in my hair, but anyway, full-size dry shampoo. I'm not a huge dry shampoo user, but I don't mind having it in the box. A couple of hair masks here, which are from Hask. These have a value of about $4 each, and I have used these before. I have the Provence Rosé Deep Conditioner and the Brut Rosé Deep Conditioner, and these are good deep conditioners. There's a fair amount of product in the package. Each has 1.8 ounces or 50 grams. They don't have any sulfates, parabens, or artificial colors. I don't recall if they have silicone in them, which either way is fine. It's not leaping out at me, but I don't know if that means it's not in there. So yeah, happy to get these. I will use those. Like sometimes even if an item isn't exciting or if it doesn't have high value, if I will use it, then I'm happy to get it. So in that vein, I'll pull out this CBD Soothing Bath Bomb. And I think I got a face mask from this brand in my December box, which I've already used and it was fine. I don't use a lot of CBD products. I don't know if I could tell if it made me feel a certain way, but I do like a good bath bomb. So this is lavender, which I'm a fan of. So pretty, you know, good average size bath bomb. And this retails for $8. So what are we up to here? 8 plus 16. I think that's about the cost. Well, not quite. We'll keep going before I say that we've like made up the value. Let's see. What is this? This is the tweezers. Basic Beauty tweezers. These have a value of $6. And okay, let's see how these look. So I don't know if these will replace my Tweezermans. They don't seem to be quite as like sharp. So I might donate these. Not a bad item to include, but just not something I personally value. Okay, let's see what else we have. The Perique Skin Co. This is a vitamin C serum. This has a value of $28. Let's see. Packed with antioxidant protection, this oil-based serum focuses on removing free radicals in sun-exposed skin. Its vegan hyaluronic acid and botanical ingredients plump and protect the skin while fading discoloration. So, I don't know if I will end up using this. I might. I'm currently using the Pharmacy Vitamin C Serum, and I don't usually use a vitamin C serum every day. I'm kind of bad about that. So I don't know if it's a product I will kind of need to replace anytime soon. Yeah, so that had a value of $28. This, it says, okay, so this is a Deluxe Mini. This is a full size. The bath bomb is a full size. The Collab dry shampoo is a full size, and the hair masks were full size. Okay, so this is a Deluxe Mini. It is an activating treatment lotion. So it says this vegan anti-aging barrier repair complex is a powerful toner plus essence that moisturizes the skin while evening texture and neutralizing free radicals. Dead skin cells are exfoliated to restore your skin's brightness. Interesting. So I've never heard of this brand before. I like the idea of a product that is a barrier repair. I think, you know, that's really important, especially like I suffer from eczema if I'm not careful. So that is a plus for me. So we'll see. I'm not too bothered by it. Let's see. It has a lot of like Korean. It looks like Korean on the back. So I don't know if this is a Korean brand. I don't see the size. Okay, so this is 15 ml or 0.5 fluid ounce. The full size is 180 ml and it's $29, so not like a hugely expensive item. Okay, let's go on to this Dr. Babor Hydro RX 3D Hydrogel Lip Pad. It says cooling hydrogel lip pad with hyaluronic acid for plumped, youthful looking lips. This is a full size. It's supposed to have an MSRP of $29. It says provides plumping hydration. So I do get chapped lips, especially in the winter. I'm not too concerned about plumping my lips. So we'll see. Maybe if we get desperate in the depths of winter, I'll give that a shot. Okay, so the next product, I'll pull this one out. This is a Deluxe Mini. This is the Proenza Schooler, I think it is. Arizona Eau de Parfum. The full size is 50 milliliters for $100. This is 5 milliliters, so like a $10 value basically. It says blooming with a white cactus accord and a unique mineral signature. This fragrance will give you a feeling of adventure, beauty, and mystery. So I think I've received a sample of this before, and I just mentioned this in another video, but when I have boxes that I don't want to tear, usually I get, like, these are a pair of Tweezermans, but I'll use this or like a spatula, like a beauty spatula, to open the box. Okay, so this is one of these little Babor mini bottles, which I think is quite cute. Here, I'll hold this so you can get a better look at it. Ooh. So I do kind of collect these, and I do plan to film an updated like perfume mini collection. I think the video I have uploaded is a couple years old. Okay. Yeah, so it smells nice and fresh. It's actually kind of a good scent for January, which is when I'm filming this. Kind of a clean, fresh scent. Okay, I kind of like that actually. So that is the perfume. All right, so the next one up, we have the Ciate London full-size Stamp and Drag Liner Duo. This is a $19 product, and it says it has a wing-shaped stamp and a pointed tip for the perfect winged eyeliner. So I am not great at winged liner. I actually do have liquid liner on today, coincidentally, because like the makeup I'm wearing is basically makeup that I received in my Ipsy bags from December. So I figured liquid eyeliner would work best with the Ciate, ironically, the Ciate product, the eye luster that I got. So kind of a cream shadow. This does not want to come out of this box. So anyway, I do tend to get liquid liners in boxes and things. I don't usually go out of my way to purchase one, although the one I did use is a drugstore eyeliner from Physicians Formula. I guess what I'm trying to say is I like to have a liquid eyeliner on hand, but I'm not like a winged eyeliner pro. So maybe this kind of product will, okay. So that was the, this tip. So it's actually kind of, it comes to a fine point, but it's kind of like more of a cone than like a, well, it's certainly, I think it's a felt. It's not a brush tip. But anyway, it's an interesting shape is what I'm trying to get at. It's not like, you know, settling into the lines on my hand or anything. And then this is the stamp. Okay. So I think I will give this a shot. I think I do have the, what's it called? The Vamp stamp, which I've bought but I haven't really used. So I don't know. We'll see if that helps me get a good winged liner. I do have kind of hooded eyes, so it's kind of a challenge to begin with, but there you go. Okay, so last two products here, we have the Sets Beauty. It says this is a 3 times single dose blot and translucent powder. Oh, so they're blotting pads. Interesting. So the full size is 15 sheets and it's $10, and you get 3 here. So why do I make myself do math? I don't know. It's kind of like a couple bucks worth. So that is what they look like. I might give these to a friend. I just don't, I don't really have super oily skin. Like, I kind of occasionally set my face with powder, but I think someone else will get more value out of that. So that's fine. And then the last product here is the Kiehl's Deluxe Mini Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. This is a 5 milliliter size, so like $3 or $4 worth. The full size is 15 milliliters and it's $38. It says it's a brightening moisturizer infused with pomegranate extracts and illuminating minerals. Your skin will be hydrated and protected. Okay, so I'm not in need of that. It's probably not going to be my go-to moisturizer. So do I think this is a good value? It's a good value for me. Like, if you add all this up, like, I don't know what it comes to, but I know it's more than $25, $30, whatever it would have been with shipping, at the full price. For me, what gives the box value, I like the box itself. So I plan on keeping that and using it in some way. So I do attribute some value to that. I'm not sure exactly how much it would be. The bath bomb I will use. The perfume, I like the actual scent, surprisingly. And then, you know, I like collecting these, so that is value to me. The Collab dry shampoo, I like Ruth, and, you know, I think I've purchased some other Collab dry shampoos before. The Ciate is actually an interesting product. It's probably not something I would have, you know, picked out for myself necessarily, but I look forward to trying it. And I do plan to use the hair masks at some point. So yeah, I'd say it's definitely worth, what, like the $23 I paid for the box. Again, I knew what I was getting in advance, so it was very easy for me to say, okay, this is worth it to me. But I just thought, you know, maybe you'd be interested in seeing what this past year's 2020's Glossybox Black Friday limited edition box was, and I don't know, be on the lookout for it next year if you are interested. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in the box, and if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. I film hauls and unboxings and reviews and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.